Recently, the Union Home Ministry has launched a Rashtriya Puruskar Portal through which online nominations and recommendations can be made for various awards instituted by the Government of India. A common Rashtriya Puruskar Portal has been developed to invite nominations for various awards in order to bring all the awards of different ministries or departments or agencies under one digital platform. This portal will help in ensuring transparency and public partnership, that is Jan Bhagidari. Now, what is the aim of the portal? The Rashtriya Puruskar Portal has been created with an aim of facilitating citizens to nominate individuals or organizations for various awards instituted by Government of India. Now let us see which nominations or recommendations are there. The recommendations are for Padma Awards, Digital India Awards, National Award for Excellence in Forestry, National Gopal Ratna Award, National Water Awards, Nari Shakti Puruskar, Subhash Chandra Bose, Aapda Prabandhan Puruskar, Jeevan Raksha Padak. This portal allows every citizen to nominate individuals or organizations for various Government of India awards. It is aimed to recognize people who have excellence in their field and work with dedication for selfless service to the society. For the first time in Indian history, information about all national awards including eligibility criteria, selection procedure and former awardees will be available to the public on a single digital platform through this portal. Now let us see about these awards. Padma Awards. Padma Awards were established in the year 1954. Every year on the eve of Republic Day, one of India's highest civilian honor, the Padma Award, is presented. Three types of awards are presented: Padma Vibhushan for exceptional and distinguished service, the Padma Bhushan for exceptionally distinguished service of a higher degree, and Padma Shri for exceptionally distinguished service in any field of endeavor. Digital India Awards. It was established in 2009 under Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. These prizes were established by the National Portal of India to promote and recognize cutting-edge digital initiatives by all levels of government. National Award for Excellence in Forestry. It was established last year in 2021. It comes under the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. It aims to encourage and advance professional competence among scientists, particularly among technical experts, forestry professionals and research scholars. National Gopal Ratna Award. It was introduced in the year 2017 and is categorized under the Department of Animal Husbandry and Dairy. This is honored to inspire farmers to undertake the scientific productivity improvement and indigenous breeds of dairy cows and to encourage artificial insemination techniques to implement 100% artificial intelligence. Coverage under Rashtriya Gokul Mission. National Water Awards. It was established in 2018 and comes under the Department of Water Resources, River Development and Ganga Rejuvenation. It encourages non-government organizations, Gram Panchayat, urban local bodies, water user associations, individuals, etc. to adopt creative methods of boosting underground water levels through rainwater harvesting and artificial recharge. Nari Shakti Puruskar. It was introduced in the year 1999. It allows young Indians have the chance to learn about the role that women played in the development of society and the country. Subhash Chandra Bose Aapda Prabandhan Puruskar. It was established in 2018 and comes under the National Disaster Management Authority. The Government of India decided to institute an award to recognize the excellent work done by individuals and institutions in India in the field of disaster management like prevention, mitigation, preparedness, rescue, response, relief, rehabilitation, research or innovations, or early warning. Jeevan Raksha Padak series of awards. It was brought in the year 1961. The award is given to a person for saving someone's life. The honor is presented for a meritorious act of compassion that saves a person's life in situations like drowning in water, accidents, fire events, electrocution, natural disaster, rescue operation in mines, etc. That's all in today's session. See you soon.